Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on equations. No? And this is a new type of series, yung series na may code na x. No? Meaning, this is a worked example series. No? So, for example, this is EQX02. No? So, yung may x na code, pag nakikita nyo yan, ibig sabihin, it's part of a worked example series. Now, ano ba yung worked example series? Ito yung mga series na nagpo-focus lang tayo doon sa method, no? O sa procedure ng pag-solve. For example, ito, paano ba mag-solve ng equations? No? So, very siya, kumbaga worked examples talaga siya. Hindi tayo masyado nag-discuss ng concepts. No? Because I think we have had a lot of discussion on the concepts of equations. So, hindi naman natin siya kailangan ulit-ulitin. Kailangan natin yung maraming examples. Okay, so we'll start our discussion dito sa letter G, no? X over 5 equals 12. Letter G na kasi meron na tayo sa previous video. Now, this is division. So, pag tayo ay meron division, X over 5 equals 12, nagawa natin is we multiply para matanggal yung denominator, diba? The principle behind that is that division is the inverse of multiplication. So, you multiply para matanggal mo to. Siyempre, since this is an equation, whatever you do on the left-hand side, you also do on the right-hand side. Kaya pag na-multiply tayo ng 5 dito, dapat ganun din dito. So, this will cancel. Magiging 1 yan. And then, x equals 60. Diba? 5 times 12 is 60. So, this is the answer. Letter H, we have, this is very similar. Ito nga lang negative. So, multiply by 4, both sides. Doesn't matter kung sa left or right ka kasi commutative naman ang multiplication, di ba? So, this becomes x equals, what is negative 14 times 4? Maka-cancel to. Negative 56, di ba? Tama ba? So, 40 tsaka 16. Okay, letter I is quite interesting because there are two ways to do it. Number one is, gusto nyo bang nasa kanan yung x ng equation o nasa kaliwa? So, kung gusto nyo sa kanan, tatanggalin natin yung x sa kaliwa. Paano yun? Magpa-plus x tayo. 4 minus x plus x. Para yung minus x sa plus x magiging 0. So, this becomes 8 plus x. So, minus x sa plus x is simply 0. So, magiging ang matitira na lang yung 4. Kasi 4 minus 0 na yan. Equals 8 plus x. Gusto natin yung x na sa kanan. Ibig sabihin lahat ng kasama nyo, tanggalin natin. So since x plus 8 ito, ibig sabihin ang pagtanggal niyan ay minus naman. Additive inverse naman siya. So 4, pag ma-minus ako ng 8 dito, magma-minus din ako sa kanan ng 8. Sorry, sa kaliwa ng 8. So this is 8 plus x minus 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So, x na lang matitira sa kanan. And then, here we have 4 minus 8 or negative 4. Okay? Now, there's another way to do that. Kung gusto nyo, nasa kaliwa yung x, so iiwan natin yung minus x dito. So, 4 minus x equals 8. Ang gagawin lang natin, 4 yung tatanggalin natin instead of x. Kasi gusto natin nasa kaliwa siya. So, magiging 4 minus x minus 4 equals 8 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So, negative x equals 4. Pero sa equations, yung ano natin dapat positive, hindi siya negative. No? In general, anong talaga yung rule. So, paano natin tatanggalin yung negative dito? Pwede natin tanggalin yan by, it's either multiplying by 1 or dividing by, multiplying by negative 1 or dividing by negative 1. So, for example, ito na lang. Negative x times negative 1, multiplying both sides by negative 1. This is 4 times negative 1. This is a negative and this is a negative. If you multiply, it's a positive. It's 1 times x. So, magiging x siya, positive. And this is equal to 4 times negative 1, which is negative 4. Okay? Diba pareho lang naman? So, depende. Minsan depende sa equation. Minsan mas madali sa kanan. Minsan mas madali sa kaliwa. So, depende sa inyo. But it doesn't matter because as long as you get the correct answer at tama yung solution nyo, full point naman yan. Okay? Or depende sa teacher nyo kung meron siyang way ng pag-check. And lastly, we have 9x equals 15. So again, 9x equals 15. So pwede ba nating i-divide ang 9 on both sides? So this is x equals, this cancels out. 15 divided by 9 is lowest terms. Divided by 3, 5. Divided by 3, 3. This is 5/3 na. Sa ibang teacher, kung gusto nila na mixed number, edi okay naman. Pwede yung convert sa mixed number. Naging 1 and 2/3 yan. O kaya kung gusto nila decimal, that's 5 and 2/3. Sorry, 1 and 2/3. 5 divided by 3, right? So, 1 and 2/3 or simply 1.6666. Now, this example emphasizes that yung letter J, na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ang makuha natin ng integer. Kasi yung mga previous examples ko po integers, yung value ng x. So dito, of course, you can have a value that's not an integer. Okay, so and as you go on, later makikita nyo may mga value na irrational numbers pa. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating website na zipline.com, sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/ziplineph, and our channel, no, yung YouTube channel natin. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe, and I strongly encourage you to subscribe, no, para marami kayo matutunan. Sa youtube.com/user/ziplineph. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.